Alright, be honest for a second. You get to the spot, you are hired. You plug in the battery, you hear the beeps, and boom, we just send it. And then, 5 seconds later, you're like, why my video so bad? Why it's drifting? Why my RSS is dropping? Most of the time, the problem did start in the air. It started right here, before takeoff. And that's what this video is about. Stop this stupid preventable crashes with this simple 1 minute habit. I call it the spa. Here is what most pilots do. We fly reactive. We don't check. We don't scan. We just go. And then, when something breaks mid-air, we panic and try to fix it in goggles. But you can't fix a brownout while you are 100 meters away. You either lose the quad or worse, you start doubting your setup for no reason. I used to do this all the time. I take off and then I realize why my VTX still on 25 milliwatts or I land with half dead pack because I never check voltage. That's when I realize I'm flying blind before I even take off. So I built a quick habit, just a small mental checklist before every launch. And it completely changed my flight. And this is where SPA comes in. No, not this SPA. This SPA stands for setup, position, and action. It takes literally 1 minute, but it can save you hours of fixing stuff and a lot of money in broken gears. So here's how you actually do it. Starting with the first part of SPA routine, setup. Before you even arm, glance at your OSD. What's your voltage? A 6 spec should show around 25 volts when full. If it says 22, bro, that's not ready. Look at your RSSI or link quality. On ELRS, it should be 80, 90 or 100. If it's dropping on ground, it will get worse in the air. Check your VTX power. I can tell you how many times I flew half apart and my video started fading out because I forgot to switch from 25 milliwatts to 400. Quickly confirm your flight modes too. You don't want to send a freestyle pack and realize you are still in angle or horizon mode. These all steps takes maybe 5 seconds, but it confirms that your drone is 100% ready to talk back to you. Once your setup is dialed in, it's time to think about where you are. That's the second step, position. Turn your head and look around. Where is your bailout zone? If your video suddenly drops or you fail safe, where are you going to send it? You should already know that before you are. Check where the sun is. Flying straight into it blinds your camera and your goggles. Even digital feed struggles with that and feel the wind. You don't have to be a physician, just know which direction it's blowing. A strong headwind or tailwind changes how your quad reacts. This steps is all about awareness. You're not just flying through goggles, they're flying inside the real world. Once your position seems solid and you know your space, it's time for the fun part, action. This is your goal for that pack. Don't just say, I'm gonna freestyle. That's what leads to messy flying. Say something like, this pack, I'm going to nail 5 smooth orbit around that tree. Or I'm practicing throttle control on slow dives. This one will give your brain a clear mission. The flying instantly become more focused and every flight has purpose. You start learning faster, smoother and safer. Stop reacting and start commanding. Here is the crazy part. This tiny 1 minute spa check can eliminate almost half of all preventable crashes. No more realizing mid that your VTX is still on low power. No more draining a half-charged battery. No more guessing. And mentally, it changes you. To stop flying with hope and start flying with control. We are not just some guy reacting to problems. We are the pilot in command. If this video helped you even a little, then make this your mission today before your next flight. Don't just arm and send it. Do your spa check and tag me in your flight clip if you tried it. And if you want to keep leveling up your flying, hit that subscribe button and keep flying, keep growing.